Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the iterative alignment. The aim is to reduce the problem of a multiple alignment to iteration of the pairwise alignment procedure to proceed from the computer all pairwise distance between given sequences and the computerized tree by the single linkage clustering. Align the sequence in the bottom up and align the sequence in the bottom of the order. I can show you the figure. Here is the showing the figure of iterative alignment. You can joining A, B and C, D and the C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. So here is the showing iterative alignment. You can first of all you can align the different pairwise. It is the follows the pairwise distance, and you can align collected the different types of sequences after the linkage the clustering of the particular data and shows by the guiding tree. Iterative alignment is the bottom. Iterative alignment is required to comparing group of the pre-alignment sequences. This is achieved by the using profile alignment. Profile alignment is the relay of now like algorithm. However, it is a score defined as the average score among columns pre-aligned sequence groups. Again, the concept of the added matrix is used to obtain dynamic programming algorithm. A possibility to treat the gaps in the profile alignment is to look into the profile and overtake the gap penalties into the added matrix. And the advantage of the iterative alignments is the profile alignment reflects the conversation between the group, the biological relevant. It is the fast scale to large number of the sequence, and the disadvantages are the this is the unclear objective function and the misalignment introduced during the procedure and the cap. So this is all about the iterative alignment. Thank you.